Hi, it's Nick Bond from Harcourts and welcome to another market update. We're coming to you from the middle of winter where we've had a very busy winter selling period so far, and we've also had a very dry start to the winter where the properties and the paddocks are very easy to get around compared to what they usually are this time of year in the Huon Valley. Harcourts Tasmania have recently collated 10 years worth of property data showing the transactions and the listings at different months of the year from all of the offices, and we've looked at it in detail to find that winter is actually the strongest time to sell compared to the amount of properties listed, where spring is actually a weaker time to sell, as is the middle of the summer-autumn session where a lot of properties come into the market at those times, and the buyer numbers, while they're still higher, not compared to the amount of properties. So winter is actually a really strong time. If you're thinking of selling, now might be a really good time to beat some of those other properties into the market and gain some of those buyers that have been looking at many properties and missing out over the last few weeks. We've just released our annual market report, which is multiple pages, and we've done it in 3 different sections of the Huon Valley this year. The Huon Valley North area, which is Huonville and North and surrounds, the eastern area, which is Cygnet and surrounds, and we've also done the southern area, which is Geefston and Dover and that part of the Huon Valley. In those, we've broken down lots of data around where the buyers are coming from, what the prices achieved are, and we've also given you a listing of every property that's sold in those areas in the last 12 months. So they're really detailed reports. We're going to be handing them around to a lot of properties, and we also have them available to email out. So if you'd like one, please get in contact, either comment in the video, give us a call, email us, and we can get that out to you to have a look at in your area, even if it's just for keeping an eye on the market and getting an eye on things to future position yourself and give you some more data as far as your property decisions moving forward. Recently we've signed up to some new products that are going to give our properties much more exposure compared to other properties in the market, so that when you list with Harcourts, we can put you above other listings, larger ads, much more internet exposure, giving you many more eyeballs on your property that's for sale compared to what it would be in a normal situation with another agency. Last week we had our quarterly training and awards day in Launceston, where we heard from one of Harcourts Queensland's top salespeople and got some excellent tips and tricks on how to get some better information out to our clients. We also had the awards on the day where Melanie Thayer took out the Rising Star of the quarter and Carl Gallion placed #1 for sales in Tasmania for the quarter. I also placed #4, and we had an amazing quarter with the Platinum Award for the office, which is a great achievement for our office, so well done to our whole team. It's really good for the Huon Valley to be achieving. I think we were the 4th top office in Tasmania for the quarter, so yeah, well done guys. Recently we've had reports from the RP Data and the Real Estate Institute and other sources looking at where our buyers are coming from and the market share percentages and a lot of other data. So basically what's happening is there are more locals buying, more people buying from other areas of Tasmania, and similar levels of interstate purchases to what we've seen from before, even a slight increase in total sales in the area, which is happening while the listings are continuing to reduce. There are less properties coming on, more properties selling, and much more buyer interest that's happening because of that. We've also found that in the market share, again, our Harcourts office has picked up a higher market share compared to what we were this time 12 months ago, and now we're a clear #1 in the Huon Valley, which is great effort for the whole team. So again, congratulations to our office. We're doing really well for the Huon Valley market. Thanks for watching the market update. If you would like to receive one of our yearly market reports, please just get in contact like I mentioned before, and I'll see you on the next video.